Hi, this is Aaliyah Ferrier, here to help explain our booklet guides and templates. Before you start building the layout for your booklet order, download our booklet information guide. This guide provides helpful information on how to order a booklet, file specifications, binding types, and bleed requirements. Before you start building your files, it is important to decide the type of binding you will be ordering as well as the final page count of your book. These factors will determine the bleed size and configuration of your layout files. For saddle stitch binding, pages are printed in spreads, folded in half, and stapled along the spine. Each sheet of paper will make up 4 pages in your book, as each sheet has 2 sides, front and back, and each side has 2 pages, left and right. This is a sample of the deluxe booklet template available on our website. The dotted lines are the trim edges and the fold between the pages. The solid gray lines represent our recommended safe zones. Bleed is required on the outside edge past the trim lines with no bleed along the spine. Top and bottom edges need 1/16 inch bleed, and the outside edge needs to be 1/8 inch bleed. For booklets 28 pages or more, the outside edge needs 3/16 bleed. Keep in mind, this spread, as shown here, represents 2 pages in your book. Perfect bound booklets are assembled with the cover spread wrapping around the inside pages. The spine is a glued edge. Inside pages have different bleed dimensions than the cover. If this booklet were perfect bound, inside pages would need 1/8 inch bleed on all sides including the spine. The bleed at the spine would be ground down and glued during the binding process. The file for the cover spread will be a different size from the inside pages. The cover spread needs 1/4 inch bleed on all sides, plus a spine width determined by the page count as listed in our booklet guide. For spiral binding, pages are cut and assembled as individual sheets. Holes are drilled 1/4 inch from the spine or coil binding. All pages need 1/16 inch bleed on all sides, including the spine. Be sure to keep a 1/2 inch of space on the bound edge clear of any important text or graphics to avoid the drill holes. The templates available on our website are for saddle stitch books with 24 pages or less. If you are ordering a different binding type, higher page count, or a custom size, please ask your account manager for a template. Thank you for watching.